Hey guys, today we're unboxing this Asus ExpertBook. This is another ExpertBook with this time a 15-inch screen. What we had last time was the 14-inch. This one's code is the B1502CB. And let's quickly see at the back. The description here says that this is an i3 machine with Windows 7 or 11 Pro and 256 gig PCIe Gen 4 SSD and also 16 gig of RAM. So let's get this out of the box and see what the 15-inch looks like, because this is the exact same series as the 14-inch that we did unbox in a previous video. Right. Okay, so when we open up the box, you can see the laptop here is packaged in a thick piece of cloth. Let's put that to the side for now. You get your two booklets with warranty card, and the other is just a user's guide. Beneath that cover is the same charger as with the 14-inch. So this is a Type C charger, and you can see here it's I'm just going to read the voltages quickly. So this is a 5 volt 3 amp or 15 watts, 9 volt 3 amps, and then 15 volt 3 amps, 20 volts 3.25 amps. So in total it just gives you 65 watts. So this is a decent charger for anything that needs Type C charge support, and then you get your power cord with that. Alright, so let's just put this aside. Alright, so the Asus ExpertBook 15-inch laptop also comes in a kind of a metallic blue finish. All of them has got this same color theme. Let's quickly just turn the laptop to its sides. Here you can see you've got your exhaust for your cooling. Again, your air intake at the back, and you can see they engrave or mold ExpertBook into the mesh here. And then on the side of the laptop you've got USB 2 and your power light and your battery light, and there's a little space where you can put a security cable or security lock for your laptop. That's the front of the laptop, and on the other side of the laptop is where everything happens. Okay, over here you've got your headset jack, and then you've got USB 3, you've got your LAN cable, a nice full size plug for that. You've got your HDMI port. This is a Type C port with display. If you have a close look, it's got a D there. This one will give you display if you plug in a display like with a docking station. And this port is just the just a Type C with charging support and USB support. So this one will be for display and that one not. Both of them will be able to charge your laptop. So if you plug in the charger, it doesn't matter which one you use. Okay, so let's open up the screen or the laptop itself. So yeah, as I said, with one hand, for the first few tries, you'll have to use two hands to just press this down and open up the laptop. You've got also a nice cloth for the packaging, protecting the laptop while it's coming to you for the first time. At the top there you can see we've got a webcam with a security or privacy shutter. When it's closed it's red, and when it's open you can see the camera. The hinges and the way that this laptop is designed feels like it's gonna last much better than some of the other designs on laptops. So you've got a bit more body and so for your hinge to attach to. So hopefully this will not break as easily as some of the other makes and models. This one comes with a full keyboard, and it's got the numpad on the side. You can see that the enter button is on the far right corner, and the power button here is on the far top right corner. So on the keyboard, I think this will also be a backlit keyboard. We'll have a look now, and I think it would be because there is the backlit keyboard's little switch. And then on your touchpad, this is a nice big touchpad, so you've got lots of space to move your cursor around, and it's got the fingerprint reader right there. So you can use this to use Windows Hello and to unlock your laptop or insert passwords or whatever quickly with your fingerprint. So let's get this machine plugged in and switched on so that we can quickly see the backlit keyboard and just how the screen and stuff looks, and maybe how the sound on this one is. It's also got the normal little speakers on the sides where you have to listen to your sound from the bottom of the laptop. Right, so when you plug in the charger, it is a bit weird, but you plug it in on this side, and on the other side you can see a little light coming on, showing you it's charging. So it's just on the opposite side of the laptop that it's showing that it's charging. And as I said, you can use both of these ports for charging. So let's see if we switch it on, if it will come on immediately. Yes, it does. Okay, so it does have backlit keyboard, and so you will be able to see what you're typing in even the darkest situations. Also, another thing on these keyboards that I do appreciate is the caps lock button has got a light, so you definitely know when caps lock is activated or not when typing those passwords. So that'll help a lot. Right, so let's quickly just have a listen at the volume of this laptop. Yeah, I think this the 15-inch might have a bit more volume than the 14-inch, but yeah, again, good sound. Not the most amazing bass and whatever, but that's not expected from this kind of a machine. And yeah, you'll definitely be able to watch your videos or have a conversation or a meeting on this easily, and also have good quality audio. Okay, so that is the Asus ExpertBook unboxed, and hopefully this helps you to decide if you need this or this laptop can work for you. And yeah, thanks for watching.